Hello and welcome to Glue. Today I'll demonstrate how our Glue team internally utilizes Glue for product development. Our example demonstrates how you can integrate VR into your business operations. We use Glue Scrum Place to review the status of projects or work packages, as we call them. For each work package, we create a separate Scrum Place with a customized work package lifecycle whiteboard. Let me show you an example. This is our board for the organization layer work package. We use 4-phase lifecycle model to track the progress of work package under review. Also, we use nodes to indicate the project phase. And with color coding, we easily visualize team members and their respective responsibilities in the project. Also, you can import any other materials and 3D models to the space. For example, here we have UI designs. One advantage of this approach is that any team member can visit the space anytime and get the status report without disturbing others. I hope this gave you a good idea of how to utilize Glue for your collaboration.